Hey friends, if you're unable to turn off Safe Search in Bing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for bing.com and hit enter. Now, if you wish to turn off Safe Search for it, click and you're unable to do that, then click on these three dots here and go to extensions. Select manage extensions and find any extension that is related to Safe Search or Safe Web. Disable it and remove it because that will not allow you to turn off Safe Search. Now, there are many other applications like Microsoft Family Security, etc., which can prevent the same thing on your computer and browser as well. So, one short solution for everything. Search for system configuration and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.